Welcome back to CodeMine. So the next topic we will talk about the rest of option available into the format menu. So go into the format. So for the themes, the video is already available. You guys can search into the playlist and we have a numbers. It's already there. You guys can search about formatting in Google Sheet in the same playlist. Then we let's talk about this options. What is bold, italic, underline and strike through? So let's do that. For example, these are my headers, right? I want to change its style. Go into format. You can use shortcuts as well. You guys can see here. Control plus B, Control plus I, Control plus U. These are several options available here. For example, I want to display bold text, right? I will click on bold. I want italic, I can click on italic. I can underline, all right, or I can strike through it, right? So any option I can use that. I am just using bold only, right? Then the next option, font size, is a simple thing. By default it is 10. You can increase it up to, it's upon your side, right? You can increase it up to 36, right? Like for example, I want to change it to 12. Clear? Then I have in format, the next option is align, where I want to align. For example, I want to do center here. So this first three options are horizontally alignment, right? Left, right, center. These are like vertical alignment, right? Let me show you guys. For example, this is my headers. Go into the formats, then align. For example, these are bottoms. I want to do it middle. So you guys can see now it's so vertically aligning the content. So go into the align, select top. So this is very beautiful how to you can align horizontally and vertically into the Google Sheets. And the next which option is merge cells. So we will see that, for example, I want to merge two cells, right? I want to merge this one with this thing, right? I will go to the format, merge cell, right? Merge all, right? You guys can see now automatically this thing is now one cell, right? CodeMine via carry. Clear? So you guys can see how can we merge multiple cells, right? For example, I want to merge multiple cells. I will just go into the format and I can directly merge in merge all. It will automatically merge, right? And for example, if it's merge, I will go to the format, merge cells, unmerge. Automatically you guys can see now my cell is now this. If I want to again unmerge this, you guys can see now my cell is unmerged. Clear? So this is a very easy thing. How can we do that? Then next option we have, that is merge. That is text wrap. What is text wrap? For example, about technical training programs, right? We have this kind of content. Now you guys can see my cell is very limited and my content is going out of my cell. How can I control that? I have a several option into the text wrapping. By default it's overflow, means whenever you type anything into your cell, if it's overflow from the cell, it will carry on outside of the cell boundary. For example, if I click on wrap, so if you click on wrap, it will increase the height of cell and merge the and wrap the text into your cell. But my preference is to use this option, clip is a very good option, right? It will hide the extra content and whenever you double click on that, it will display you. So this is a very beautiful option and you guys can use it. And then the next option we have, we do not use it most in most cases, that is you can rotate the content, right? For example, tilt up, right? It will rotate, right? So you can do practice. Mostly we do not use it, but it's very important to have a knowledge of each and every menu. So that is why we are including this. So this is about text rotation. So for conditional formatting, alternative colors, clear formatting, we have a separate videos, right? So keep watching our channel, keep like, keep share, keep comments. And if you guys still have any query, question, or you guys are facing any issue, comment into the comment box. You can get our email into the about section. Please do like, and please subscribe our channel and share with your friends as well. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.